Do you ever feel like your salary isn't enough to cover everything? Or maybe you're looking for ways to make extra cash without the hassle of a second job. The truth is, many people feel like they're stuck in a financial bind, trying to balance their budget while keeping up with life's demands. But what if I told you there are smart side hustles you can start right from home, with zero upfront cost? In this video, we're going to explore 8 smart side hustles you can start today, without spending a penny upfront. Whether you want to build a safety net, pay off debt faster, or simply add some extra income, these hustles will help you reach your financial goals. So, are you ready to turn your spare time into cash? Keep watching. 1. Freelance writing. If you have a passion for writing or a talent for creating engaging content, freelance writing can be an excellent side hustle to start with zero upfront cost. With countless businesses and websites constantly in need of written content, there's always a demand for quality writers. Freelance writing allows you to write from home on your own schedule. You can write blog posts, articles, website content, social media posts, and even email newsletters. The best part is that you don't need to invest in anything other than your time and a good computer. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer provide plenty of opportunities to connect with clients. Start by building a portfolio. You can create your own blog or offer to write for free or at a reduced rate for friends or small businesses to get experience. As you gain confidence and improve your writing skills, you can gradually raise your rates. Plus, freelance writing offers flexibility. You can take on as much or as little work as you want, making it perfect for people who want to earn extra income without committing to a full-time job. 2. Virtual assistant services. Becoming a virtual assistant, VA, is another fantastic side hustle that requires minimal investment. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and good at multitasking, this could be the perfect fit for you. Virtual assistants help businesses and entrepreneurs with a variety of tasks, from managing emails and scheduling appointments to handling social media accounts and customer service. The best part? You can start without any significant upfront costs, as all you need is a computer, internet access, and a good set of organizational skills. Many virtual assistants work on a flexible schedule, allowing you to work from home at your own pace. As you gain more experience, you can increase your hourly rate and specialize in particular areas like social media management, content creation, or bookkeeping. Finding clients can be as easy as offering your services to friends, family, or small business owners in your community. You can also sign up on job boards like Upwork, Belay, or Time, etc., to connect with potential clients who need your help. 3. Online tutoring. Do you have expertise in a particular subject, such as math, science, or language? Online tutoring is a great way to turn that knowledge into a profitable side hustle with no upfront costs. With the rise of online education, students of all ages are looking for personalized tutoring sessions that fit their schedules and needs. You can tutor students in subjects you're familiar with, and many tutoring platforms allow you to set your own rates and work from the comfort of your home. Websites like Chegg, VIPKid, and Tutor.com are excellent places to start. Alternatively, you can offer your services independently by advertising your tutoring sessions through social media or local community groups. As an online tutor, you have the flexibility to set your own hours, making it an ideal side hustle if you want to earn extra income while still working a full-time job. Additionally, you don't need much, just a computer, a webcam, and reliable internet access to get started. 4. Selling handmade items online. If you're crafty and enjoy making things with your hands, selling handmade products online is a great way to start a side hustle with zero cost. From jewelry and candles to knitted scarves or homemade art, there's a thriving market for unique, handmade items. You can start by listing your creations on platforms like Etsy or eBay, which are designed specifically for artisans and crafters. With a little effort, you can turn your hobby into a profitable business. The best part is that you don't need to invest much in materials at the beginning. Many people start by selling products made with leftover supplies from previous projects. Once you have your products listed, it's important to focus on marketing them. High-quality photos and good descriptions will go a long way in attracting customers. With a little creativity and effort, this side hustle can grow into a consistent income stream, and the best part is that it's all based on your personal passion. 5. social media management. If you're good at social media and know how to create engaging posts, consider becoming a social media manager for businesses or entrepreneurs. Many small businesses need help managing their social media accounts, but don't have the time or expertise to do it themselves. Social media management involves creating content, scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and monitoring social media metrics. You can get started by offering your services to local businesses or friends who need help with their social media presence. The best part about this hustle is that you don't need to spend money to get started. All you need is a computer, a smartphone, and some creativity. Plus, as you gain more experience, you can increase your rates and even specialize in platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online, and it requires little to no investment. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales made through your unique affiliate link. To get started with affiliate marketing, you can create a website or blog where you write about topics you're passionate about, such as beauty, tech, or fitness. Once your website is up and running, you can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Sherry Sale, or CJ Affiliate to start promoting products. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's passive income. Once you've created content and shared your affiliate links, you can continue to earn money whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, even while you sleep. This makes it a great side hustle to start alongside other jobs or commitments. 7. Transcription services. If you have good listening and typing skills, transcription could be the perfect side hustle for you. Transcriptionists convert audio or video recordings into written text. There's a high demand for transcription services in various industries, such as healthcare, law, and media. Getting started is easy, and you don't need any upfront investment other than a computer and headphones. You can find transcription jobs on platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, and Freelancer. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates and choose the types of transcription work you enjoy the most. Transcription is a flexible job, meaning you can choose your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. This makes it a perfect side hustle for those looking to earn extra income without committing to a full-time job. 8. Online surveys and market research. While not as lucrative as some of the other side hustles, online surveys and market research can still provide an easy way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Many companies are willing to pay for consumer feedback to help them improve their products and services. There are several websites that allow you to sign up and participate in surveys, including Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. While the payouts may be small, you can complete surveys while watching TV, relaxing at home, or waiting for your coffee to brew. This hustle is entirely flexible, and you can do it whenever you have free time. It's a great option for people who want to earn a little extra money without much effort or commitment. These 8 smart side hustles are just the beginning. Whether you're a writer, designer, or someone with a knack for social media, there's an opportunity for you to start earning money from home with zero investment. With the right mindset, dedication, and a bit of creativity, you can turn any of these side hustles into a successful income stream. Now that you know how easy it can be to start, it's time to take action. Pick a hustle that excites you and start today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more side hustle tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which side hustle you're planning to try first.